Ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's build your dream online store on Shopify, even if you've never built a website before. First, head to Shopify.com and sign up for a free trial, no commitment required. This gives you 14 days to explore the platform and build your store without paying a dime. Once you're in, it's time to design your store. Shopify offers tons of stunning themes, both free and paid. Pick one that reflects your brand and the products you're selling. Click Customize to modify the theme. Now, let's add your amazing products. Take high-quality photos and write compelling descriptions that entice customers to buy. Be sure to specify product details and add different sizes, colors, and materials that will give your customers options. Next, set up your payment gateways. Shopify supports all major credit cards and even alternative payment methods like PayPal and Afterpay. Secure payments means happy customers. Don't forget about SEO. Optimize your product descriptions and website content with relevant keywords to help people find your store on Google. Using keywords can increase your store's visibility on search engines. It's time to spread the word. Connect your social media accounts to Shopify and start marketing your products. Share your latest sales and collections. Keep an eye on your store's performance with Shopify's built-in analytics. Track sales, traffic, and customer behavior to make data-driven decisions and boost your profits. Now get those orders packed and shipped, and keep an open line of communication with your customers. You are well on your way to scaling your e-commerce business. With Shopify, you've got the power to create a thriving online business, so get started today and turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. #Shopify tutorial #ECOMMERCE website.